What up? It's Vitela Home Tech Expert. So excited today that I'm going to be installing this brand new Yale Smart Lock. This smart lock, you can use your finger to be able to unlock the front door. So excited. So I'm back in Orange, California to help out a wonderful lady installing some extra security in her home. Now, she already has a Ring video doorbell at the front door, and as well as she has a Ring floodlight camera looking over her driveway. So adding the smart lock over at the front door is going to go great with it. With the Yale Smart Lock, you can use 4-digit PIN codes that you can give out to friends and family to be able to unlock the door and be able to get inside. Or she could use her iPhone when she's not even home. She could be running errands at the grocery store, or she could be out at work and she could unlock or lock her door. And then, of course, best of all, she can use her finger also to unlock her front door. Now, normally I have to make adjustments. In this case, I had to make adjustments for the strike plate in order so that everything would work beautifully with it. But that's why she calls Home Tech Expert, in order to get it done professionally the first time. All right, that was absolutely awesome to have another happy customer. If you want to get something done like this professionally in your home, go to my website, hometechexpert.com, and click on schedule a free estimate.